Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, blockchain, coding, crypto and technology. Please like and subscribe. In the nascent world of cryptocurrency, a promising trader named Sam Bankman-Fried came forward with a groundbreaking idea, FTX. With a background in physics from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and a stint at Jane Street Capital, SBF possessed a unique blend of academic prowess and practical trading experience. His vision for FTX was bold and revolutionary. He envisaged a digital finance platform that was more than just a cryptocurrency exchange. It was to be a comprehensive ecosystem, seamlessly merging traditional finance with the avant-garde world of decentralized finance. The early days of FTX were marked by relentless growth, fueled by SBF's charisma and the promise of a decentralized future. Investors and crypto enthusiasts worldwide were captivated by the sheer audacity of his vision. As FTX's influence expanded, so did SBF's reputation as a visionary. In no time, FTX was at the forefront of the crypto world, a testament to the power of an innovative idea and the man behind it. SBF's charisma and innovative vision quickly propelled FTX to the forefront of the crypto world. FTX's rise was nothing short of meteoric. In the blink of an eye, it seemed, this fledgling crypto exchange transformed into a titan of the digital finance world. Its reach was global, its influence undeniable. It wasn't just another startup on the block, it was a force to be reckoned with. FTX's partnerships read like a who's who of high-profile celebrities and sports franchises. Its logo, a testament to its dominance, was emblazoned across arenas and devices across the world. Sam Bankman-Fried, or SBF, was at the helm of this digital juggernaut. His wealth soared as FTX's success skyrocketed. He was more than just the founder of a crypto exchange. He was the face of a revolution, a beacon of a decentralized future. His vision, his drive, and his sheer audacity propelled FTX to heights few could have imagined. As FTX's star ascended, so did SBF's. He was hailed as a crypto pioneer, his name synonymous with innovation and success. FTX wasn't just atop the digital finance world, it was the digital finance world. And at its peak, it seemed nothing could stop this empire of Bytes. However, even at the height of success, there were those who questioned the sustainability of FTX. As the limelight shone brightly on Bankman-Fried and his crypto empire, whispers of doubt began to ripple through the financial world. Some analysts, unblinded by the allure of instant riches, started to raise eyebrows at FTX's business practices. They pointed out the potential risks hidden beneath the sheen of digital gold, risks that could topple this giant. Behind the scenes, crypto enthusiasts also started to voice their concerns. They wondered if the rapid rise of FTX was too good to be true, if the promise of a decentralized future was just a mirage. As these questions and concerns began to mount, the specter of risk and uncertainty began to loom over FTX's seemingly infallible empire. As the crypto market faced turbulence, FTX's vulnerabilities began to surface. The digital tide was turning, the once buoyant sea of blockchain now churning with volatility and uncertainty. FTX, the flagship of Sam Bankman-Fried's empire, found itself in increasingly choppy waters. A liquidity crunch was looming on the horizon. The storm of a financial shortfall threatened to capsize the once unsinkable vessel. The exchange's coffers were depleting, and the whispers of insolvency started to echo through the corridors of the crypto world. Customer confidence, once as solid as a Bitcoin, began to waver. The once loyal users of FTX, now aware of the storm, started questioning the captain's ability to steer the ship through the tumult. The trust, once given freely, was now being withdrawn, adding to the growing wave of challenges. Signs of trouble in the company's financial health were becoming undeniably apparent. Leaked documents pointed to shaky foundations, with significant holdings in a digital token whose value was plummeting. The financial footing of Sam Bankman-Fried's empire was unstable, and the tremors were felt across the industry. The once unassailable empire of FTX was beginning to show cracks. Its crown was slipping, and the throne of the crypto kingdom was no longer secure. The first signs of trouble were emerging, and the perfect storm was brewing. The stage was set for a fall of epic proportions. In a dramatic turn of events, FTX faced a crisis of epic proportions. The company's founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, had always been seen as a risk-taker, but it seemed that his daring had finally caught up with him. Allegations began to emerge, pointing to misused funds and deep-rooted mismanagement. The whispers that had once been confined to the corners of crypto forums were now headlines on major news outlets. FTX, once a symbol of the new digital frontier, was now under scrutiny for transactions between it and Alameda, Bankman-Fried's hedge fund. Questions were raised about the actual stability of the company, and the once invincible FTX began to wobble. The situation took a turn for the worse when leaked financial documents revealed a precarious situation. Alameda's significant holdings in FTT, a digital token minted by FTX, were on shaky ground, leading to a liquidity crunch. The close relationship between FTX and Alameda was now seen as a liability, and the market reacted with swift brutality. Attempts to salvage the situation proved futile. An offer of a bailout from Binance, a rival exchange, fell through, leaving FTX grappling with an $8 billion shortfall. In a shocking development, FTX filed for bankruptcy, leaving a trail of financial turmoil in its wake. Customers and crypto firms found themselves in a quagmire, their investments at serious risk. Bankman-Fried's personal fortune, once a testament to his success, plummeted. The impact was not just financial, but reputational as well. Comparisons were drawn to infamous fraudsters like Bernie Madoff, and the visionary image of Bankman-Fried was replaced with that of a reckless gambler. The titan of the crypto world, FTX, had fallen. The story of its rise and fall served as a stark reminder of the volatility of the digital age, where fortunes could be made and lost with the click of a mouse. The downfall of FTX marked the end of an era and left the crypto world in a state of shock and uncertainty. The law finally caught up with SBF. In the sunny paradise of the Bahamas, far from the digital empire he once ruled, Sam Bankman-Fried found himself in handcuffs. The world watched in stunned silence as the once celebrated crypto visionary was arrested, his fate now in the hands of the justice system. The charges he faced were not minor infringements. They were severe, echoing through the halls of the cryptocurrency world like a chilling wind. Wire fraud, conspiracy to defraud, and a multi-billion-dollar deceit were among the serious allegations. These were not the actions of an ambitious entrepreneur who had taken a wrong turn. These were the calculated moves of a man who had played with people's trust and their livelihoods. His arrest triggered a chain of legal proceedings that spanned continents. From the balmy Bahamas, SBF was extradited to the United States, the country where his digital empire first took root. The courtroom in New York became the new stage for his story, no longer a tale of success and innovation, but one of deceit and downfall. The severity of the allegations against SBF sent shockwaves through the crypto world. This wasn't just a case of one man's fall from grace, it was a stark reminder of the potential dark side of the digital finance revolution. It underscored the need for transparency, accountability, and most importantly, the rule of law in the wild frontier of cryptocurrency. SBF, once a celebrated crypto visionary, now faced the prospect of decades behind bars. His story serves as a stern warning to others who may be lured by the glitz and glamour of quick success in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. As the gavel came down on Sam Bankman-Fried, it marked not just the fall of an empire, but a pivotal moment in the history of digital finance. The collapse of FTX sent shockwaves through the crypto world. The implosion of such a titan left the market and its investors reeling. The confidence that had once been as solid as a blockchain was now as volatile as a rogue token. Investors, lured by the promise of a decentralized future, were left holding the bag. The financial turmoil was not just a personal disaster for these individuals, but a global catastrophe that bled into every corner of the cryptocurrency market. The FTX saga sparked a firestorm of debate about the need for stricter regulation and oversight in the crypto world. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, from regulators in Washington to developers in their digital dens, the need for a robust framework to protect investors and maintain market integrity became painfully clear. The demise of FTX left a billion-dollar void and a shaken crypto industry in its wake. But in this fallout, there is also an opportunity for introspection, for reform, and for the crypto world to rise from the ashes, stronger and wiser. In the aftermath of FTX's collapse, the call for stronger oversight grew louder. The world watched as the house of cards built by Sam Bankman-Fried crumbled, leaving a void that echoed with calls for reform. It was a stark revelation of the vulnerabilities within the crypto industry and a clarion call for change. Regulators, once distant observers of this digital frontier, were thrust into the spotlight. The urgency was palpable. The collapse of FTX, a titan in the crypto space, was a wake-up call for all. It underscored the need for stronger oversight, for clear guidelines to navigate the often murky waters of digital finance. The regulatory responses were swift and sweeping. The SEC, DOJ, and other watchdogs worldwide took firm steps to ensure that the financial chaos of FTX's downfall would not be repeated. They vowed to strengthen the regulatory framework, to provide clear rules for a game that had, until now, been played in the shadows. The crypto industry was at a crossroads. On one hand, the promise of a decentralized future, a world free from the constraints of traditional finance. On the other, the harsh reality of an industry in desperate need of regulation and oversight. As the world grappled with the fallout of FTX's collapse, the crypto industry faced a reckoning. The path forward was unclear, but one thing was certain: the need for change was undeniable. From the ashes of FTX's collapse, the crypto community sought to learn and rebuild. The fall of a titan like FTX was a stark reminder of the need for caution in a world often dazzled by innovation and potential. It underscored the importance of strong governance, transparency, and the dire consequences of unchecked ambition. But it also brought to light the resilience of the crypto community. As they grappled with the fallout, the focus shifted to strengthening regulations, improving oversight, and instilling a culture of accountability. It became a catalyst for a much-needed dialogue on the balance between innovation and regulation. And herein lies the silver lining. The FTX saga, with all its tumult and tragedy, has the potential to be the turning point for the crypto industry. It can be the moment that ushers in a new era of responsible, sustainable growth, where ambition is tempered with prudence and progress is not at the expense of trust. In the wake of FTX's fall, the crypto industry is poised for reflection, reform, and hopefully, redemption. Bankman-Fried's day of reckoning came swiftly. Found guilty on all 7 counts, including wire fraud and money laundering, the crypto community reeled as the gavel came down on the one-time billionaire. March 28, 2024, marks a date set for sentencing. While the defense and prosecution prepare, SBF could face up to 110 years in prison, a sobering prospect for the man who once stood atop the crypto world. The case's reverberations extend beyond the courtroom. Prosecutors and law enforcement worldwide take note. The outcome serves as a deterrent to would-be fraudsters and a reminder that the pursuit of justice transcends the crypto domain.